Hi, welcome to GITIXONE trading channel. Today we'll be talking about trading with a phone or trading with a laptop or a desktop. Which of them is the best? Alright, so let's get into it. A lot of traders must have seen this type of thing, this setup with one screen, two screens, three screens, and even 4 screens, and more than that, some even 5. All right, people think that success in trading depends on whether you are analyzing with a phone or whether you're analyzing with a laptop or with many screens, many monitors like you see on the screen. Okay, so which of them is the best? Do having any of these setups make you a successful trader, or trading with your phone is enough? All right, I will say to you that from my experience, it is actually always better to view the market with a very broad screen that will allow for you to see a lot of data. Okay, analysis of the chart becomes easy when you can see the chart very clear. All right, but it's the same chart that is on your phone. What now makes the difference? It's a psychological thing. To some persons, analyzing on the phone is the best thing. They just do it on the go as they are walking on the road. They are going to any place they are going to. They just pick their phone, they do analysis, and they play straight. To so many, it is the easiest, the best, the fastest. In fact, actually, it is the easiest for a lot of people. All right, but then to some other persons, once they analyze on the phone, they will never see the chart clearly. They'll be like, oh no, I'm going to lose this money. I don't trade on the phone. It's either I'm trading on a laptop or on an iPad or on many screens like you see here. The difference is in the individuals. Do you understand? The difference is in the individuals. It is not really a matter of whether there are many screens on one screen or a phone. Your trading success does not depend on any of this. If you can analyze on the phone, it is good. If you can analyze on the laptop, it is good. But if you think you need many screens to analyze like this setup, that's good. If you have the money to afford it, then you go for it. But let me be sincere with you. There is an advantage with when you can monitor all of the assets you are trading at once with many screens. All right, so let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screens, and then you have USD JPY open on one, you have the Euro USD open on the other, you have gold open on the other, and you have USD card and other assets open on each of the screen. It becomes easy for you to monitor each of the different asset classes or currency pairs, whether it is indices or whatever. It becomes easy for you to monitor all of them at once. So having such TradeStation can actually save you a lot of stress. It makes trading more easier to read. Okay, like you don't have to be suffering from jumping from one chart to the other on the same device. Do you understand? So this is the advantage of trading with many screens. If you are the kind of trader that usually trade more than one asset, then having many screens is actually an added advantage for you. You understand? So, but if you are the one that focus on just one asset at a time, there are people too who use that one asset and they open different time frames on those 5 different screens. All right, so they can open 5 different time frames on the 5 different screens of the same asset, like the same asset, and then they are monitoring all the different time frames. Why for some people this can be cumbersome, but for other people this is the best thing that ever happened to them in their trading. All right, so this depends solely on you, the way you see things, how you want to do your trading. All right, but if you don't have money to afford this, your phone can do the job, can do it very well. If you don't know how to analyze on a phone, maybe it's because you are analyzing on the portrait mode. You can turn your phone landscape, so you can change your phone's orientation to landscape so that instead of seeing it standing like this portrait, you can see it like this landscape. You understand me? So that way you'll be able to see some data that you are not able to see while the phone was standing. Do you get what I mean? So, but beyond all of this, whatever works for you is what you should be doing. Now, you should not be imitating. You should not compare yourself. You should not be like, I know someone that is using 5 screens, and so I must use 5 screens. Someone that is using 3 screens, then I must use 3 screens. No, trading is individual. It is personal. What works for one may not work for the other. And you don't have to disturb yourself, pressure yourself just to buy stuff that you don't really need. If you think you need it, then go for it. But if you don't have the money to afford it, your phone is enough or your laptop is enough. Do you understand me? This depends on who is using them. Now you have to train yourself. You have to learn what is going to work for you, what is working for you. You stay with it and you try to afford all of those things that work for you. Just give yourself time, the required time, and you are going to get to where you dream of getting to. Alright, so please, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. Till I meet you again, happy trading.